In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to enjoy Cometeer coffee. I've been drinking Cometeer for about 7 months, tried it a bunch of different ways, and I'm pretty sure I got narrowed down to the best way that's consistent with drinking a good cup of coffee that is not ever bitter. So what's been working best for me is I've usually put about 10 of these in the refrigerator and let them melt. And those are the ones I'm going to drink throughout the week. Now, I'll usually put them in like on a Saturday or Sunday because it takes about 24 to 36 hours for these to melt and become totally liquid. And you just want to make sure they're totally liquid before you put them in a Keurig. Well, this is where it may vary a little bit from person to person, but I prefer 10 ounces of water. I've boiled a lot of water to make my Cometeer coffee, and it doesn't ever seem like it was really consistent, and sometimes it would be a little bitter. I think that was my fault by maybe boiling water too much. And once I discovered how to use the Keurig, now some people will put the Cometeer in their Keurig frozen, and a lot of people are having difficulty with it, so I kind of stopped doing that. But once I figured out to get the capsules melted, then use the Keurig, it's been a consistent, great cup of coffee ever since. Hope this video was helpful and informational to you, and thanks for watching.